Hey everyone, I'm Nikos, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day using AI and ChatGPT. And the best part? I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a ton of free resources and walk you through everything step by step so you can start making money with AI and ChatGPT. Everything is completely free, so you can get started right away, even if you're a total beginner, no matter where you are in the world. In this video, I'll give you a full roadmap. What will you get? This is a complete ready-to-go strategy, structured in an easy-to-follow checklist. A 300-step guide that covers the best tools to use, posting frequency, how to build a high-converting profile, and much more. And you'll get it 100% free when you sign up for a high-level free trial. Plus, you'll get pre-made Instagram Reels, already edited and optimized, so you can start posting right away. I'll even show you how to post them for free and automate the process, so you don't have to manually upload them every day. You'll also get a list of long-form YouTube videos that you can upload to landing pages or repurpose by creating your own scripts and content. And I'll give you done-for-you email templates to promote different AI tools. These even include a free AI tool that lets you automate emails, build landing pages, and more, and it's all 100% free. To get access to all of this, just leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Once you do that, I'll send you all the resources for free. How to get started? Go to the description of this video. Click the link there, and it will take you to a page where you can get the free software. Just enter your name, email, and phone number, and you'll unlock a 14-day free trial to High Level, a powerful automation tool. I'll show you how to build a landing page, set up email automation, and start making money online. The first 14 days are completely free, so you can test everything risk-free. Building a landing page, I'll show you how to create a high-converting landing page that attracts people and directs them to the AI tools you're promoting. You'll also get a VIP checklist with over 400 AI tools from which you can become an affiliate and earn commissions. For example, if you promote an AI tool like Jasper, you can earn 40% recurring commissions every month as long as your referrals keep using it. How to get traffic? Now, the big question: how do you get traffic to your links? This is where your landing page comes in. Check out my previous video to see exactly how I built my landing page and how you can do the same. Email automation. Today, I'll also show you how to set up an automated email sequence that nurtures your leads and converts them into buyers. When someone enters their details, they'll automatically receive an email with bonuses. We'll set up a full email sequence that encourages users to sign up for the AI tool, start using it, and eventually keep it long-term, giving you passive income. In my next video, I'll show you how to automate this entire process for 60 days, so your content works for you without needing to do everything manually. That's it for today. If you want access to all the bonuses, comment, like this video, and subscribe. I'll send you everything for free. See you in the next video.